I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. Come on, I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me.
'Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death upon me. Lord, I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me.
Now man, these pussy niggas putting money on my head. Go on and get your refund, motherfucker, I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that it ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest, something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble. Show your ass what my gun do. Got a temper, nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your legs. I walk around, gun on my waist, chip on my shoulder, till I bust a clip in your face. Pussy, this beef ain't over.
Many men, many men wish death upon me. Lord, I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men.
Every night I talk to God, but he don't say nothing bad. I know he protecting me, but I still stay with my gang. In my nightmares, niggas keep pulling texts on me. Psychic says some bitch done put a hex on me. The feds didn't know much when Pac got shot. I got a kite from the pins that told me Tut got knocked. I ain't gonna spell it out for you, motherfuckers all the time. Are you illiterate, nigga? You can't read between the lines. In the Bible, it says